Turns in.
You have to talk for 6 minutes.
Good evening. We're doing a live break here in a couple minutes. Just waiting for a couple of folks to tune in, and then we'll get started. Sox McGee, welcome. Howdy. Glad you could join us. Remind me, Sox, what team do you have?
I have the Avalanche.
Whoa, Sox is actually here in the room with us. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Sox has the Avalanche. All right. I know Sean has 3 teams, and Mike has the Rangers. So we're gonna wait for them. So once again, well, there's nobody listening. Oh, Nate's Breaks joined. Hey, Nate, how you doing? Nate, it's not too late if you want to grab a team. $19. It gets it mailed anywhere in the U.S. or Canada, and that includes a bubble mailer with tracking. Lots of free teams available. The teams that have been taken so far are the Rangers, Canadiens, Capitals, Canucks, Avalanche, Bruins, Oilers, and Penguins. Those are the teams that have been taken so far. Tampa Bay and Dallas are both free. They're playing tonight. It's 2-0 Tampa right now. One more period to go. A lot more hockey to go. All right, I understand, Nate. That's cool. That's a good reason. So once again, we've got a box of 1920 artifacts and 2 boxes of OPC Platinum. And hey, Sean, welcome. We're gonna wait for at least one more dude to tune in. 90s hockey cards. His name's Mike. I think what we're gonna do, let me know if this sounds alright to you. I think we'll go 1 box of platinum, take a break from that, then we'll do the artifacts, and then we'll finish with the 2nd box of platinum. And if that's cool with you, that's the way we'll go. And I know we're looking for an OV signed card for Sean. Hopefully we get something else cool for you. Maybe some rookies. Maybe a throwback blast from the past. We'll see. Let's see. We've got about 2 minutes till 8. My time. I'm in Colorado. It's almost 10 your time on the East Coast. And let's see if Mike has a chance to tune in here. A little bit of radio silence here while we're waiting for him.
You have to sing the Jeopardy.
You want to sing? You guys watching the football game? It looks like Kansas City is really, really giving it to the Ravens tonight.
Hey, tell them about the Yager back there.
Oh, yeah. I'll tell you a little bit about the background here. On the left, we have Sox. That's Sox the dog. He's an adopted dog. We've had him for 4 years. This is his channel, his cards. He owns all the cards and is licensed to sell on Instagram. No, I don't know if he is. I don't know if we need a license, to tell you the truth. But and over on the right, we've got Jaromir Jagr. That's actually him, shrunken down, encased in plastic. The 1998 edition. On the box it says ages 4 to 104. So we barely made it. I'll let you figure out which side of the scale we're on. All right.
8 o'clock.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go for it in the interest of time, so you guys can hit the sack at a reasonable hour. This will take a little while, and we're gonna recap it at the end anyway. So if Mike joins us, any time through the break, we'll show him at the very end what he got. So, starting with the very first box of the Platinum. Here we go. Even though we didn't sell out, I'm pretty excited because there's a lot of cards I'm going to end up with. Hopefully I'll get something that I can sell for or trade for even more than the 19 bucks. All right. Here we go. First pack, first box, OPC Platinum. There are only 4 cards in each pack. And there are 20 packs. All right. Here we go. The Senators, Chabot. Flyers, Farabee. Ooh, wow. That's
nice.
a really, really nice card.
Wow, Libor Hayek.
Mike, where are you?
Yeah, you got a good one.
Wow, that is a big time hit. This dude is from the Czech Republic, the hockey capital of the world. And that's a rookie signed card.
Wow.
I don't know if this dude's good or not. I have heard the name, but that's a really nice card. Wow, first pack. That is special. That's awesome. All right. By the way, I'm not cheating here. My one of my interns is helping me open the cards just to save a minute or two on these. Okay, Blackhawks, Sorella. Lindholm for the Ducks. That's a nice purple version. Eric Stahl for the Wild. And for the Blues, Parayko. No teams for Sean yet, but we're just 2 packs in. Just 8 cards. Oliver Wahlstrom from the Islanders. Tavares from the Maple Leafs. That's a nice gold refractor. Wow, that's pretty sweet. Grubauer for the Avalanche. And Sheffley for the Maple Leafs. Hey, Izzy, let me see that Rangers card because Mike just joined. Mike, first pack. This is what you got. Libor Hayek, signed, on-card, rookie. That is a really sweet hit. First pack. Good for you. You got your money's worth already and then some. And we'll give you a repack of everything at the end. DeBrincat, Dahlin, he's a very common rookie for the Sabres. Abramoff. I've got a couple of his too. Marc-Andre Fleury for the Golden Knights. And here we go with Dadonov for the Panthers. Zadina for the Red Wings. Another, ooh, that's a nice Hank Lundqvist for the Rangers. Nice looking card. Brandon Saad for the Blackhawks. Wow, the Rangers are really killing it so far. Sorry, Sean, nothing yet, but we'll get there. We got a lot of cards to get through here. Red Wings, Bertuzzi, Adam Fox for the Rangers. That's one of those sunset versions. That's a really nice looking card. Again, the Rangers. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Ryan Suter and Anze Kopitar for the Kings. Where is he from? He's from Slovenia. That's pretty cool.
Oh.
Not too many of dudes from Slovenia in the league.
Yeah.
Alright, next pack we have Claude Giroux, Nick Suzuki from the Canadiens. There you go. There's a nice rookie for Sean. Thrilling finishes, Quinn Hughes. That's a nice card for the other Sean. That'd be me. And Anthony Mantha for the Red Wings. Grundstrom, he's a sought-after rookie for the Kings. Tomas Hertl. Oscar Klefbom for the Oilers. Alex Pietrangelo.
What nationalities?
We got 2 more for this stack, and then we're going to be halfway through with the first box. Noah Dobson, that's a household name. Blake Lizotte, that's a household name. Jake Gunsell for the Penguins. Nicholas Backstrom for the Capitals. Not too fast, huh? Sorry about that, Sean. All right. Calgary Flames, Goudreau. Trent Frederic for the Bruins. Ooh.
Oh, son.
That's for the Nashville Predators. Rem Pitlick. Signed rookie card. Rem Pitlick is from Ontario. And Miro Heiskanen, he's been playing well in the Stanley Cup Finals. All right, one more stack halfway through this box. So far, so good, guys. You guys are, especially the Rangers, definitely getting your money's worth. Oh, I'm having a little trouble with this one, Mom.
Take this.
All right, we'll go to pack number 2. Max Domi for the Canadiens. Household name. Teddy Bluger for the Penguins. Pasternak for the Bruins. And Taylor Hall for the Coyotes. For the Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. Capo Caco for the Rangers. That's a good one. Cam Atkinson for the Blue Jackets. That's a pixelated purple one. Nice looking card.
Yeah.
And Hampus Lindholm for the Ducks. That's how he introduces himself. Hampus. Sounds like Krampus. Julian Gauthier for the Hurricanes. Nito Niederreiter. Blake Wheeler for the Jets. And Ben Bishop for the Stars. Max Jones for the Ducks. Calder Frontrunners. Zadina for the Red Wings. It's a nice looking card. Austin Matthews for the Maple Leafs. Timo Meyer for the Sharks. Oh my goodness. How come you can open them and I can't? I don't have arthritis yet. Rasmus Dahlin, another one. Morgan Frost. 2 Morgan Frost. Okay, what's going on here? The one on the left is
It's
kind
iridescent.
of a
It's iridescent, and the one on the right
rainbow
is just
refractor.
silvery.
I
The
wonder
word
if
is
it's got a
iridescent.
special number on the back. It does not, but it's still pretty cool.
I think they're the same.
No, it's
No,
it's
that
it's a
one's
refractor.
iridescent, and that one's silver.
You say iridescent,
Yeah,
and I
that's the
think
word.
technically you're right, but
I am
in the
right.
card collecting world, I think they call it just a refractor.
Oh.
But it's cool. Mark Giordano. Alright. Thanks for the help opening these up. Matt Murray for the Penguins. Nikita Gusev for the Devils. Steven Stamkos for the Lightning. And Jonathan Quick for the Kings. 3 more packs in this box. Pitlick. Yeah, I just saw that, Sean. Carter Verhaeghe for the Lightning. PK Subban. I like him. Devils. Good card. Oliver Ekman Larson for the Coyotes. And William Nylander. I always thought with that name, Nylander, he should totally play for the New York Islanders. Makes sense. He should be obligated. Take a contract discount to play for them. They'd save money. They'd only have to print a name on one side of the jersey. Elias Lindholm. Another Ekman Larsson. That's a nice red pixelated rarity. No special. Oh, yeah, it's 164 out of 99 down there.
Yeah.
That's a nice card. Ryan Johansson and Jack Eichel. 2 more packs from this first box. Let's see what we got. Adam Fox. I think we had one of those earlier. Cam Atkinson. John Tavares, best in the world. And Victor Arvidsson for the Predators. J&D Cards, welcome. Sheen Collectibles, welcome. King Chris Cards, welcome. Hope I didn't miss anybody else. Varlamov for the Islanders. Edler for the Canucks. Jonathan Hughes for the Blackhawks. And Travis Konecny for the Flyers. That concludes box number 1 of the Platinum. Next up, Artifacts. Alright, these are ready to go. Only 8 packs in here. And claim your bounty CD. I don't know what this is about. Collect the set. Scratch off a code and claim. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. That does not affect us this evening. 4 cards per pack. Could just be me, but these feel pretty darn thick. Grab another one there. Oh yeah, we've got some special cards coming your way here. Hopefully, Shauna might get something good out of this. Ilya Kovalchuk for the Kings. Carter Hart for the Flyers. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. This one's numbered to 699. We'll look at the back one. Thomas Hertl for the Sharks, and then we'll get to. Oh, it's just one of those decoys. Artem Anisimov. Those are bothersome. Looks like we got the same thing here. Sorry, guys. Philip Forsberg. Braden Point. Oh, here we go. For the Sabres, Jake McCabe. Signed card. Congrats. Jake McCabe. Nobody bought the Sabres. That's too bad. Blake Wheeler for Winnipeg. Want this? All right. Roman Josi for Nashville. Ooh, here we go. We got a rookie redemption for nobody specific. It's a Winnipeg Jets, so I got to scratch that off and send that in. That doesn't affect any of you guys watching tonight. That's on me. William Karlsson for the Knights. Kyle Okposo for the Sabres. All right, Canadians. Jonathan Drouin. Logan Couture for the Sharks. Ooh, that's a nice Red Wings rookie. Philip Zadina, numbered out of 999. And Jeff Skinner for the Sabres. Halfway through our artifacts. I feel like a grandpa. I'm not able to open these. I'm old, but I'm not that old. All right. That's a really nice looking card in uniform. Pecorine for Nashville. Ooh, Tuukka Rask for the Bruins
Nice.
with a jersey. Remind me who has the Bruins?
Patrice.
Patty has the Bruins. Good for her. And because of that, we only have 3 cards in this pack. Marner for the Maple Leafs. But that's a really nice, that's a nice looking card.
Yeah.
I like that. Way to go, Patty. William Nylander, not of the Islanders. John Carlson for the Capitals. Zadina again, numbered out of 299 for the Red Wings. And Max Piccaretti for the Golden Knights. 2 more packs to go from the Artifacts box. Josh Bailey for the Islanders. There's another Enrique Lundqvist. That's a really nice green, numbered out of 99. The Rangers, dude. Man. I should... Oh, no. Tyler Johnson for the Lightning. Tyler Seguin. 2 Tylers in a row. Alright, last pack from the Artifacts box. Alex DeBrincat. Ooh, this is something special.
Oh yeah.
Toronto Maple Leafs. Too bad no one got the Maple Leafs tonight.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Quad jersey.
Oh,
That's a
nice.
pretty cool card.
Yeah.
Also numbered out of 99.
Wow.
That is a nice looking card, eh?
Mm-hmm.
And Ryan McDonough for the Lightning. Sweet. One more look at that. That's pretty cool. Keep your eyes peeled on Instagrams. Some of these cards are going to be going out there in the next few weeks. If you see something else you like for another team, good comment, Sean. I know what you meant. All right, last box of Platinum. 20 packs. These are a lot easier to open. Just as I said that, I was wondering if I was going to have trouble, but I got it. Couturier. Mackenzie McEachern for the Blues. Oscar Clefbaum for the Oilers. And Peter Angelo again for the Blues. Sean Sports Cars, I'm really crossing all my toes for you on this one. Let's get you something good. Nicholas Haig, Sebastian Aho, Victor Olofsson for the Sabres, Calgary Frontrunners. Another Jonathan Quick. Here we go with another Blake Lizotte. A Patrick Lane for the Maple Leafs.
That's nice. That's pretty.
That's the Sunset. Mark Giordano and Ryan Johansson. All right. Matthew Tkachuk, Adam Boqvist, Alexander Barkov for the Panthers, and another Jack Eichel. Matthew Barzal, PK Subban again, Ben Bishop again, and Austin Matthews. Some familiar names here. That's cool. All baseball cards, welcome. We're on our last box of OPC Platinum. I'll post the whole video to Instagram later so you can see what happened. We'll do a little bit of a recap for the guys who bought teams Alexander Tessier, Jacob Slavin, Abramov again. That's another nice. Timo Meyer. Ferraro. Peterson. Nicholas Haig. And Taylor Hall. We want some Canadians and some Canucks and some Capitals. Let's go. The Devils. Bokvist. Truba for the Rangers. Draisaitl for the Oilers. And Mantha for the Red Wings. Nyquist for the Blue Jackets, Pavelski for the Sharks, Ekman Larson, and Nylander again. I don't think we've gotten anything special out of this box, huh? Yet?
No, me too.
It's going to be toward the bottom. Quinn Hughes, John Gibson for the Ducks, Hampus Lindholm, and Brock Boeser for the Canucks. How much money did I spend on these? Let's see. For the 3 boxes, I've had these for like 3 months, and I've posted a potential break over and over again. So I kind of forgot, but it was pretty close to $300 for all 3 boxes.
I think it was like 80 each for the OPC Platinum, and it was a little more for the artifacts.
Oh, I thought it was the opposite, because the artifacts only had 8 packs.
know.
Either way, about 300. Vintage cards, hello, welcome. Mikko Rantanen, Jack Hughes, Ryan Poling. I think we had one of those earlier, didn't we? This looks like kind of a...
Iridescent?
Yeah. And Drew Doughty.
So we didn't have any signed yet, right?
Nothing signed in this box yet. Olofsson. Fahervery for the Capitals. Fahervery, is that how you say it? Ryan Suter.
Fairbury.
Anze Kopitar. John Carlson, Sebastian Aho. John Gibson, that's a nice pixelated purple. And Barkov again. How many packs we have left in that box?
1, 2, 3.
6 more packs. All right. Something special's coming. Carter Hart, Cale Makar. That's a biggie. John Tavares, best in the world in Philip Grubauer.
2 Avalanche.
Yeah. Go Avalanche. Carey Price for the Canadians. There we go. Taro Hiros, Elias Lindholm, Sunset, and Mark Scheifele for the Maple Leafs. 5 more packs. That's right, Seattle has an expansion team coming soon. That's going to be pretty cool. I'm excited for them already. Draisaitl. Ooh, 2 in a row. Okay. So this is just the standard base card. This one is numbered at a 99. And he is your NHL MVP this year. So that's a nice card for the Oilers. Marc-Andre Fleury and Eric Stahl. 3 more packs.
Waiting for the signature.
I don't know. I hope there's got to be at least one signature in here.
Is he the guy on the box?
No.
Oh.
No, that's
He looks kind of like him.
same team. Kubalik. Kucherov.
Kucherov.
Fabro. And Parayko for the Blues. 3 more packs. Yeah, Vintage, did you buy your Seattle jersey yet? I don't know if they even have them available. Tobias Bjornfot, Braden Point, Carey Price. That's a nice Carey Price, kind of a throwback style, and Jonathan Tews. Patrice Bergeron, Patty's favorite player. Gustav Nyquist, nice purple. Brandon Saad, and Jordan Eberle. Okay, we're down to our last pack. It says there's 1 hard sign autographed card per box. Therefore, it must be this one. Sam Lafferty. There it is.
There it is.
For the Blue Jackets, Emil Bemstrom. That's a rookie, and it's a nice purple one. And it's numbered to 99. You guys know any Blue Jackets fans out there, get them in touch with me. Travis Konecny and Victor Arvidsson. So that is our last pack. We're gonna do a recap for you, starting with the Rangers. The Rangers hit it big tonight. Let's see. Trouba, Hank, numbered to 99, artifacts. Adam Fox, rookie. Capocacco, rookie. Adam Fox, rookie. Another Hank. And then Libor Hayek, on card, signature rookie. Nice. Very nice card. Dude, you made out. Let's see. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. You've got 3 more coming your way for the minimum of 10 that I guaranteed. Now let's take a look at the Canadians. We've got Carey Price, Ryan Poling, Jonathan Drouin, Max Domi, and Nick Suzuki. Pretty good haul. We'll round that up to 10 for you. And here are the Canucks. We've got Quinn Hughes, Brock Boeser, Elias Pettersson, Alexander Edler, and Quinn Hughes. Thrilling finish. Again, we'll be rounding it up to 10. And the Capitals. John Carlson, Martin Fehervary, another John Carlson, and Nicholas Backstrom. So that's only 4. So I'm gonna find some good ones for you, Sean. Don't worry, I'll round that up for you. The Oilers. Remind me who was Oilers?
Oh, that was 1.
1 has the Oilers. Leandre Sadel. That's the nice numbered to 99. They've got a special name for that background. We have 3 in a row. Oscar Klefbom, 2 of those. Okay. And then for the Penguins, who was that?
That was also 1.
Also 1, Sam Lafferty, Matt Murray, Teddy Bluger, Jake Gunsell. I'll take care of you, Juan. And the Avalanche is for Sox. Philip Grabur, Cale Makar, Mikko Rantanen, and another Grauer. And then last but not least for Patty, the Bruins, we've got Patrice Bergeron, David Pasternak, Trent Frederic, and a beautiful jersey, Tuukka Rask. Taking a look at the corners here. Pretty sweet condition. We're liking that for Patty. And then no one had the Leafs, but I'll just show this one more time. This was a nice Artifacts jersey pull, numbered to 99. Stay tuned to Instagram. We'll see if anybody wants to grab a hold of this. All right. Thanks, guys. Once again, good night from Sox. Thanks for joining us. Cards will go in the mail tomorrow for those of you who bought a team. And hopefully you'll get those. Well, it'll be with tracking. Hopefully you'll have them by the end of the week. But, you know, with the way the mail is, I wouldn't hold your breath. But I'll be out there in the morning and we'll get them on the way. Thanks again. Hope you had fun. And get back to the hockey game or Monday Night Football. Adios, amigos.